Welcome back everyone, I'm N.R.T, and on today's video we'll be installing this brush guard for this X380 lawn tractor sent to us from our good friends over at Reliable Aftermarket Parts. Use code N.R.T, save yourself 15% at Reliable Aftermarket Parts. And let's get on this bumper. So it comes with a little baggie of hardware. Just like that. It usually comes in a box, but I had a whole bunch of other stuff that came with this. So there's two pins on the side. I believe you just need to pull one out, just like that. Then from there, you slide okay, let that sit right there. Go on the other side. Okay, I'm on the other side now. Okay. Now that's the hood. Okay, still open the hood. No. That's how it goes. You know what? I know what. It's like a brush guard and a semi. I know what. I know what they did here. If I'm correct, it's like a brush guard and semi. Whoa, got these spaces right here. I go right there like that. And these bolts, gonna Loctite these bolts. Where did I put my life? Looking pretty sweet. Okay. Okay, I believe I'm gonna have to cut some of the muffler guard. Maybe just bend it some. And bend it. Okay, that is like that. Now go on to the other side. So there is a little bit of modification you gotta do. You gotta bend your muffler shield a little right where it bolts, but not much. And you cut it off, but I was able to make it work with just bending it a little. So that's what we're gonna do on that. That is 13. Okay, there's that. Okay, and if I'm correct, once I pull this pen that runs in the middle, this big black pen, it should be able to flip down. Let's see. There we go. There we go, right there. Just like a semi-truck, like I thought. Okay. Next thing to do is we're going to be working on removing the drive belt. But I'll probably make a separate video on that. So there it is. A reliable aftermarket parts brush guard for the X Series tractor. Huge shout out to them for sending that out, for sending this all out, and use code N.R.T to save yourself 15%, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.